I was trying to bulk create this morning and I discovered that Canva has added another cool feature to the bulk create tool. And of course, with me, there's no gatekeeping. Once I discover anything new in Canva, I always love to share. So let me show you what I am saying, what exactly I mean. So I want to create LinkedIn posts and it's going to be 30 content. I want to bulk create 30 quotes and of course for my LinkedIn page. So what I'm going to do first is to use a template that I can customize, something that, that I can actually customize to my brand. So I'm just going to type in LinkedIn quotes so I can get the exact kind of template I want. So I like this first one, so that's what I'm going to use. I'll customize it. Now, while that is loading, let me show you my content. So before you even think of, searching for templates and customizing a template, you should have your content ready and saved somewhere. So this is my content. It has 30 different codes on personal branding, and there are three columns. The first column is the number of tip, the tip number. The second column has the code, the exact code that I want, and then the last column, which is the auto handle. So that's all I have for my content. Let's get back to our quotes. So what I'm going to do right here is to customize this to fit into my brand. The first thing I'm going to do is to change the picture here. So I'll go to my brand kit to find a suitable photo for this quote. I'll be using this photo, place it over here so that it's masked into the frame. The next thing I'm going to do is to change the content on this. So I want to change this to content vault and also change the content here to quote. And this name will be my name. And change the color to my brand color. So I'll change this here to my brand color, change this here to change this one as well. The line here as well. So everything has to be in my brand asset. I'll change this to I'm going to delete this one. I don't need it. What I need here is okay, what I just need is to edit this content. I'll edit this to auto handle, the text to auto handle. Then I'll change this icon. I'm going to remove the icon. Let me zoom in. This phone icon will have to go. And then let's find LinkedIn. I already have it here, LinkedIn icon. I'll change the color to this, resize it, and bring it down here. Need to resize it a little bit more. And let's align it properly. All right. I think this is, let me adjust this a little. This is much better. Okay, what more do I need here? Okay, I need this brush stroke. I need to where I will place my tip number and then get in my test tip number. I'll change the test color to white. To white. I'm going to resize it, place it here. I also need to change that from popping bold to popping maybe medium. are much better. I also need to change this test color. This color, I need to change it to fit into my brand. Good. So I think I'm good to go. I think I'm good to go for this. I need to brighten this a little, reduce increase the transparency, because I noticed that the original picture that I replaced has or did I say transparency? Saturation. That's what I wanted to say. So let's something like this, much better. All right. So now our template is ready. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to bulk create. Once you go to apps, you will find bulk create. So let's click on bulk create. I already have this content downloaded. I downloaded it as CSV file. So I already have it downloaded to my system. So I'll go back to my templates, and now you have two options when you're working with bulk create. The one that says enter data manually. So if you want to enter your data manually, you can go for that option. But my option is the one I'm going for is upload data, because I already have it downloaded. So I'll go ahead to upload my data. And here my data is. Now here is the tool that I mentioned. Here is a new introduction. The last time I used bulk create, this auto match field wasn't there. So what you usually do is to manually connect whatever you have here in your content to the field. I mean, whatever you have here in your template, you manually connect it to your data. But now Canva has introduced auto match, so it will match the field automatically once I click on this. Now let's watch and see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead to click on auto match, and you will see what will happen. So Canva will automatically match the content in my data to my template without me doing so much. So here it is, it has mapped this correctly. So here you have the number, the tip number will go for this, and then the quote will go in here, and the handle will go in here. Now I am okay with all of this, it matched them correctly. So I'm going to go ahead to click on continue. And before I continue, I need to edit this to my website so that I won't manually have to enter that in all 30 pages. All right, so we are good to go. So now I'll go ahead to create my 30 designs. Our design is ready. Let's go ahead and see what we have done. So now we have 30 pieces of content for my LinkedIn page. I can decide to post this right away or schedule it using the Canva content planner to schedule it so it can post or publish on the set date and time. I hope you found this tutorial valuable. If you did, give me a like, a comment. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll be glad to, give you a response. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.